I forgot to mention that how did Greg and I first connect? The first time I saw him, he was wearing a Cleveland Indians hat, and it just had like a C. And I said, you know what? I said, they better get motherfucking Wahoo back on the hat. I mean, these motherfuckers, everybody's trying this shit. Everybody treat people like shit. And the way you treat people, and you disrespect them, you disregard them, you throw them in the toilet, throw them in the trash, act like people, you walk past people like they're not even human, like they don't exist. The way you treat people, but yet you want people to treat you good, and you want to make everything about fucking race and everything. Don't get me started. But anyway, I said they better get motherfucking Wahoo back on the hat, because that's my team. He's like, what do you know about it? I was like, man, he's like, you from Cleveland? I said, no. I said, I'm from Pennsylvania, but I've been a fan of the Indians since I was like 10 or 8 or something. And so he tried to talk to me. I was like, all right. I said, I'm going to bed. Good night. And I slammed the door, and I went to bed. I tried to go to bed, and they left. All right, sorry to interrupt you or whatever. Yeah, that's right. You better run. Just kidding. But I didn't say that. I kind of was thinking that, though. But, you just, like I said, can't judge anybody. And another mention, I wanted to mention really quick here that today, it's April 26th, 2022. It really is, it's a momentous day. I don't even know if that's the right word, but this is a timeline, because this is, we're making history. I can't think of the word I'm trying to, but the point is, Elon Musk bought Twitter yesterday on April 25th, 2022. Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion. And not to mention the fact that in June, I believe it's June, Tesla is splitting their stock, and at that time it's going to be about $200 right now, or $250 maybe. Right now it's like $1,000, and it keeps going down, mostly down. It's, for the most part, it's the same, but it's going down and up and down, fluctuating a little bit here and there. But the point is, when it goes down, when Tesla, they're having a meeting, and by the time, it could be before that, but by the time that the stock is split, it's going to be about 200. And so because of that, they're going to split it, and then they're going to split it again. And in June, it's supposed to go through in June when they have the stockholders meeting. And I'm going to buy stock at that time. I'm going to buy stock in Tesla. And also, I'm going to buy stock in Twitter now, because I believe in Elon Musk. And it's because he came here, he came from South Africa, and his dad had told him, you'll be back here in a year. And Elon Musk never went back. Now, that story is short and simple, but is very inspiring to me. And I feel like in many ways I'm like Elon Musk, because I'm determined, I make shit happen, I don't give up, and I have a purpose. And I believe in my heart that Elon Musk has this